Team is a group of people. That's pretty simple, right? But what constitutes a team? What makes a team different than anything else? And the difference is this: it's a common purpose, it's a common destination. Each person has to know that they're a part of the collective and that the collective is going towards a purpose, a destination. They're going to be there for their reasons. But I'm telling you that you can find people that want to be a part of your team, to be a part of your journey, to get on your bus.